Hey artists, today I want to show you how you can practice anatomy on your phone. For this I'm using the wireless tablet Intangbo SW from Parblo, which is the sponsor of today's video. But before I tell you more about it, I want to practice on my own and see you at the end of this video with my final review. So after practicing with the Parblo Intangbo SW tablet, I can say that it's very cool to have a cheaper alternative to other mobile drawing tablets. The Parblo tablet is usable completely independently from the resolution of your mobile device, and it is usable on every Android device with Bluetooth connection. It is perfect for drawing and sculpting on the go, when you are on the train or bus, at school or university, and is a perfect alternative for younger beginner artists who do not have an own PC yet. Of course, it's not limited for using on your phone. You can connect it to your desk PC or laptop using a cable. The setup is very easy and works right away. If you'd like to know more about the Parblo tablet, please check out the links down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscription. A big thank you goes to Parblo for supporting my channel. And this is it from me now. I say bye bye and happy practicing.